This morning we opened up in this area and I said, my bias is firmly bullish at this level. I reminded you very clearly, shorting in this level was not an option. Video posted on social media 9:35 EST. Where did the buyers picked up from? From here. But what does a knowledgeable trader knows we're dealing with? Major long-term resistance levels. We've been stuck here for the last more than an hour. Price is struggling to break through this level. Once 2023.75 is broken, we'll be home free, flying to the upside. But for now, this is very big problem as we're seeing sellers pushing further down. I warned you, if you had enough pain and torture, good idea to get out. This is what separates knowledge from just sitting and staring at the price. We're dealing with long-term levels that price is struggling to break through. Price is showing clearly further push to the downside, and that's a pickle we are in. And that's where we've been stuck for the entire hour, more than an hour. And that's what's essential to respect, what price is telling you. The dance is on, and it's not pretty. Both trends are minor on this very quiet Monday morning. Apple collapsed from this level. Will S&P do the same? Will bullish trend remain firmly minor? Buyers stepped in from this level on Friday. Buyers stepped in from this level today. But will they become more powerful and fly to this area where we expect to see S&P? I cannot tell you when, but I can tell you S&P is heading to this level. First steps are first. One tick to the end of the minor trend. I warned you, it's a war zone. Absolute war zone. One tick prior, 2023.50 is reached. What is the most painless thing? Get the heck out. End of minor trend in. Will the price collapse completely? Highly possible. The kind of market we are dealing with today. You witnessing. Let's see what will happen next. How long will the price be stuck at the end of the minor trend? 5 minutes or next 50 hours? I do not know, but I can warn you. No indicator on the planet will tell you with precision far in advance where all the levels are. Only price and Fibonacci will. And it doesn't matter if you trade Apple, it doesn't matter if you trade Bank of America, where Bank of America collapsed from reversal zone completely. It doesn't matter if you trade Amazon, complete reversal weekly. It doesn't matter if you trade Euro. Know your levels and know what not to enter into. It took Euro 8 weeks to break through this level to the upside. It took Euro 6 weeks to break through this level to the downside. Post made before I left on vacation. Once Euro blasted through 3400, Euro in free fall. And that's the focus on Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp, which we cannot wait for. I do Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp only a couple of times per year. Next bootcamp coming up December 7th. Sooner you sign up, more educated and intelligent Fibonacci trader you are, more prepared for the bootcamp you are. Additional 2 weeks of trading, additional strategies that's not part of the course, 40 to 60 hours of additional education, all depending on market conditions. Group course 10 weeks instead of 8. Private mentoring 18 weeks instead of 16. Everything is closed as of December 7th through January 4th. All posted on the website. Again, bootcamp is part of regular course for November and December students and October students, whoever left. The last time I've done the bootcamp was first week in July, and I have no idea when I will do the next. Here's Apple hourly reminding you, respect and adore the end of the minor trend. Apple is doing exact same thing as S&P the entire morning. Both trends are minor. Apple had been respecting the end of the minor trend since last week. showing you never, ever, ever, ever short into ultimate support. We have minor bearish trend and minor bullish trend. Buyers stepped in on Apple this morning, reminding you, know what not to short into. Basic. Only Fibonacci levels will tell you that. And here's the price stock. Shocker? Not. Very predictable. Price is that pure and that simple. Any questions? Pretty please to ask. We start from scratch in class in 1 hour. So ladies and gentlemen, S&P stock at the end of the minor trend. I warned you. If you want to walk away with a couple of points, maybe a good idea, as both trends remain firmly minor. You're witnessing the importance of the end of the minor trend to the downside, where bullish Friday came on Friday and this morning. And right now we're stuck at the end of the minor trend to the upside. Can the price finally blast through? Go baby, you can do it. Woohoo! Hit me. 2025, one tick prior, pretty please. On day like this, we managed to pull more than 3 points on S&P, almost 4. Knowledge is power. Discipline and patience is everything. Ladies and gentlemen, almost 6 points on S&P. Pretty please. Here's extremely important target. Will S&P stage powerful push to the downside, as I warned you? Once the end of the minor trend broken, where we've been sitting for the last hour and a half, bullish rally will continue one step at a time. Next level, 2028. So stop well outside of break-even. Welcome to rule-based Fibonacci trading. So what does this mean if you manage to score 5.5, 6 points? 5.5 points, one lot, 250 to 300. Every tick matters. 10 lots, $2,500, $3,000. How many trades per day do you need? Depends how greedy you are. Depends what lot size you trade. Depends where discipline and patience is. You're done for a day? Walking away from computer. This is what knowledgeable trader would do. That pure and that simple. We will discuss the trade in details in the class 1 hour from now. Trail 2023.75. The price gonna hit 2028 and we're gonna catch 8 points. Wouldn't that be lovely? So lovely. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out of this trade. I wish you marvelous, spectacular afternoon. 5.5 points on such trade in this market conditions is not to be taken for granted. Happy Monday, everybody. If you would like to join us on adventure of discovering price, I look forward to seeing you in our education room. We start from scratch this morning. Sooner you sign up, more prepared for Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp you will be. I highly encourage you listen to the students on the website who trade anything and everything. From futures to stock to options to forex to anything that has price. Any viable strategy should apply to any instrument and any time frame, as price remains the same everywhere. The only thing that's different between what you trade is liquidity, volatility, and trader psychology. So, any questions, always feel free to call me and contact me under Contact Us page, info@alphawavetrader.com or 925-257-4298. Review all the info about the course and bootcamp. This is something I do only a couple of times per year. I look forward to seeing you there. Sooner you start, more prepared you are for bootcamp.